What's going on, guys? Welcome back. So we had the second update video on the Revell 1969 Corvette by Revell, which I'm doing with Bryan over at BG Model Workshop, our buddy build, and mine is actually coming along too very well. It's actually a really good kit. I got a lot done this weekend because it's actually a quite cold weekend. It's down in the 50s, so it's a little bit chilly. So I got a lot done. I got everything to paint on Friday. I mean everything, the chassis, the interior, and the body. And so we got pretty much the chassis and interior assembled, and it's almost downhill from here. So I want to give you guys this update video before we get her patched up. So right here we got in front of you is the chassis with that beautiful engine. I mean, this engine's just stunning. I love how this thing built up. It built up very well. There's no issues at all. I mean, I just loved how it built up. So I stripped off the chrome, repainted it with the all-cladded chrome. Just looks a million times better than the kit chrome, so in my opinion. So it looks very cool, and yeah, it just looks very cool. Got the radiator in there and no issues. Dry shaft is in there perfectly. I did go with the different tires, as I mentioned, because I didn't want to go with these kit tires because I'm not a big fan of these. I don't know why. I don't know. I didn't really care for them. But I did have red lines also, but I decided not to go with them. I wanted the actual Goodyear, logo to stand out. So those look incredible. And these are the stock wheels that come with the kit. So that's pretty much the only thing aftermarket on this, or not aftermarket, but different about this kit is the tires. That's it. Everything else is box stock. So, and then we'll show you the chassis underside. Some gloss black and some flat black accents. Just looks very cool. Independent suspension. So very cool. I'm really glad how this looked. And got the Chevy engine orange. I got the orange, proper orange this time. And I just love how the chassis built up. It looks good. Looks good, and it went together very good. So, and let's go ahead and show you the interior. I went with a brown interior. I was sticking to a black, but I was like, no, that black's kind of boring, so brown. Let's do brown. So I got these seats and dash all brown stuff, and the floor is all carpet. The flocking is brown, and just looks very cool. The flocking turned out perfect. I love how that turned out. Seat belts and center console's black, and I'm not sure you can see in there. There we go. Oh, no. I'll put a picture on the screen, but I did paint the gauges in there. You can't really see it, but all those gauges are orange. So is this an actual speedometer gauge? It's all orange, so it looks very cool. But yeah, the interior went together very well. It's simplified, but not too special. But it looks good. I love it. And as you see in the background, we got the body looking spotless, and here's the color. I'm not gonna pronounce it because I tried pronouncing it before I made this video, and I'm like, nope, I can't say it right. I can say it, but I can't pronounce this right. So I'm not even gonna try, but you can read that. I practiced probably 15 million times before I even started this video. I don't want to embarrass myself in front of you guys, but as you see, it looks very good. The body I love the color. Like I said, I was thinking to do the silver or red, but I was really feeling the red, so I was like, you know what, I'm doing the red. So it looks very cool. The gloss clear, that's only 3 coats of clear. 3 coats, yeah. Well, actually 2.5. The third coat's like a mist coat, but just looks so good. There's no orange peel. There's no pivots in the clear coat. I mean, nice and smooth, thin. It just looks beautiful. So I'm gonna take the hood off. But I just love how the body turned out. The kit did not come with any logos, like the Corvette logos. The side logos are very thin. It was very shallow on the body. I should just sanded those right off, but but it's not, that's my fault. The Corvette emblem on the front, I should just sand that right off, but it was super thin on the body, so the paint and primer and clear coat kind of buried it a little bit. I mean, you can still kind of see it and feel it, but it was very thin. I should just I should have just sanded it off, because on a decal sheet there's no emblems. So I didn't want to go over the white decals. I didn't want that on here, and so this decal sheet has been going in the garbage for me. So, but it's okay. You can kind of see the emblems, but I kind of, like I said, I kind of wish I sand those off before I paint, but that's okay. But the Corvette, you can kind of see it. I could detail paint that if I really want to, but I'm gonna screw that up really badly, because that is very thin, and let's get like a toothpick or something. But I don't know. I might just leave it as it is. But I'm not too worried about it. But other than that, the whole body just looks fantastic. I love how it turned out. I mean, I just love the red. It just looks beautiful. But that's pretty much about it. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention on my first update video, you can see a little hole right there. That is actually for the antenna. So on these Corvettes, the antenna is on the back, and I was like, no, I'm gonna put an antenna on this. I don't really put too many antennas on my models, because they don't come with antennas, but on the real car they actually do have antennas. So I do want to start putting antennas, and I think this one would actually look very cool with an antenna on the back. So that's where they are right there. I'm located on the very back. Drill a little hole, and I'll put a little piece of rod or whatever right there, X antenna. So that would be pretty cool. But other than that, that will be it for this video. Like I said, an awesome kit. Me and Bryan are having a blast. Me and Bryan were just texting back and forth. If one of us has questions, we ask each other, and buddy builds are just so fun. I mean, just me and Bryan just have a blast. It's our second year doing this together, and I'm pretty sure we'll do it again next year. But this year, Bryan picked a kit, and Bryan actually picked well. I mean, I'm really enjoying this kit. This kit is I'm just really surprised how well it's going together. I'm really glad how well it's going together. No issues. But I'm gonna let the body dry for probably another day. It's been 3 days, but I might just want to wait for another day just to be 100% sure. I don't really have to, because I don't really have to wet sand it, because there's literally no pivots at all on my body. So, but who knows? I get to it tomorrow, but whatever. But other than that, guys, that'll be it for this video. And until my next video, go over to Bryan's video or channel, check out his update video. And he just posted one not too long ago. Check out his progress, because his is actually looking very good. He's doing a little customizing, and did a little custom color on his engine block, and his body builds are just so fun. We've seen kits, but we just do our own. I just love it. But go over to his channel, see what he's doing, and see what he's up to. But until my next video, guys, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye for now.